Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Make sure your Gemini account or API keys are active and that you can test prompts immediately. Next, choose 1 to 3 seed topics that match current interest. This keeps relevance high. Once done, prepare 3 content formats: a short text post, an image prompt, and a 1-minute video script so you can publish across channels fast. This diversity triggers different recommendation paths and helps Gemini surface your content. You now optimize execution. Design prompts that state intent, include 3 examples, and specify the exact tone. This reduces ambiguity and improves Gemini's output. Then format outputs for consumption. Include headers, bullets, and 1 clear call to action so the model favors scannable snippets. After that, batch produce 5 to 10 variant drafts and schedule them across times. This gives you rapid A/B data so you can scale what gains traction, while preserving room to tweak language and assets. You finish by publishing with intent. Push content across platforms within a 24-hour window, staggering posts by 2 to 4 hours to catch different audiences. Then monitor CTR, watch time, comments, and reshares so you can read signals quickly. If performance stalls, don't panic. Adjust the prompt to be more specific, change the thumbnail or lead sentence, and rerun quick A/B tests. This troubleshooting cycle often corrects discoverability problems and tells
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.